No way. But now I got them for free. Fuck off. Fuck off. Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a huge Superdrug haul of Makeup Revolution stuff, and then one or two, maybe just one actually, from a different company as well. And we also have a little mini JEFFREE Star haul from Beauty Bay as well that I thought I'd just shove on the end there for you too. If you are new here, I am LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn the notification bell on so you are notified every time I upload on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time. Let's just get straight into the video. So Superdrug had a deal on where if you spent so much on Makeup Revolution, then you got a free gift bag. So this is the gold gift bag. I also have a video of me doing an order on Makeup Revolution and getting a black gift bag as well. So I'll leave that link down below if you want to go check it out. If it's not up yet, it's coming very, very, very soon. So let's just get straight into it. So the first thing that I picked up, which were absolute bargains, I think these were like buy one get one half price as well. So I got these like for £1 odd. This is the face and shadow palettes. So we have the flamingo and then we have the chick, and they're in like shapes of little Easter eggs. So I actually picked up two of each of these as well. So I can put some into a giveaway for you guys. So I'm going to do like a video, hopefully like trying some, and then I'll do a giveaway for you so that you can try them yourself as well. So this is what the pink one looks like. So it opens up like in half, like so. I feel like I'm on that oh, what's that program called, like the game show where it's like when they open it and the woman's like, the guy's like share, and the woman goes like steal after they had like a massive chat about sharing it. I feel like I'm on that with a little golden ball. I don't know if you know what I mean. But you get 5 eyeshadows and you get a blusher and then a highlight. This is just what it looks like. And I just thought for the price, like, it's such a good bargain. And I thought it'd be good just to see what it's like. I might not even actually do a tutorial on this, you know. I might just keep these for a giveaway. I'm not too sure yet. Give a little comment down below if you want me to do like a video of me trying them and do a giveaway. Because I'm like more than happy to do that. Or if you want me to just give both of them away, like all 4 of them away, then just leave a comment down below so I know what I'm going to do. And obviously the yellow one is exactly the same, but that one has a different colour scheme, as you can see on the side here. This one is more my cup of tea, to be honest with you. So yeah, let me know down below when we should do like a giveaway of all 4 of them, or when we should actually like do a video of me showing you how to use them and what they're like, and then do a giveaway as well, because I'm happy to do either or. I'll show you the one little thing that I got from a different brand. This is from Gypsy Shrine. They had an offer on this is like 10p. You could only order one, otherwise I would have ordered more. But I thought for 10p I can either do a video using these as like a makeup look, or I could put this in a giveaway for you guys. Just thought for 10p, like, I will find something to do with that. One of the main reasons that I wanted to do a Makeup Revolution haul and like an order on the website was to actually buy this powder. So Emma Fleming is a YouTuber that I really, really look up to, and I watch like literally all of her videos, even if it's like not even anything that's relevant to me. I still watch it just because I love her. And this is something that she has been raving about, like absolutely raving about on her channel, and I thought I need to get this. I just need to get it. This is the I Heart Revolution Coconut Baking Powder. It's meant to be scented like coconut as well. To be honest with you, like, coconut isn't like, it's not my favourite scent. Like, I'd rather have, I don't know, like something fruity or something, or like fresh. But I ain't complaining either. Do let me know as well down below if you want me to do a full video of like just testing Makeup Revolution, or like a full video of like just using Makeup Revolution for like a really glam tutorial, because I will be more than happy to do that for you. And today's makeup look is actually one that I was meant to be wearing for a night out. I don't know if you can see, like, I'm gonna lie, it looks unreal. I'm very, very happy with how it's done my eyes. It's probably the best I've ever done my eyeshadow, and then it's had to get cancelled because there's like a big storm here. Places like flooded, there's been thunder and lightning, absolutely like tanking it down, like pouring down with rain. So it's been cancelled, so I'm just at home filming for you guys instead with my full beat on. So this is just what it looks like. It comes with a little powder puff. Can't really smell it at the moment because it's got the little seal on, but I'm excited. to try that. And apparently it's meant to be like really, really brightening. Like whenever I've seen her put it on, it does look really brightening as well, which I think that's what I'm missing. I need like a brightening setting powder. Something else that I picked up that was also an absolute steal as well. I think there was like a thing where if you bought 2 of I Heart Revolution, it was like buy one get one half price. So it literally cost me like a couple of £1, and I got this. So I thought I'm going to try it. This is the I Heart Revolution Chalk Mint Mini Eyeshadow Palette, and look how cute it is. I absolutely love it. It's my first time opening it. Ooh, that is sexy. Look at that. So that is what the inside of it looks like. And to be honest with you, the main reason that I wanted to pick it up was for that green, because the green looks so lovely. So yeah, it looks nice. It seems to be quite, that one's a little bit chunky, that glitter, but otherwise it seems quite soft. That one's pretty. Let's try the matte. Ooh, the matte's lovely and creamy as well. Not bad pigmentation. I want to swatch that let me swatch the green one, because that's the whole reason that I wanted the palette, was for the green. Not the best, not the worst, but it was only cost me a couple of £, so I don't mind. Oh my god, so another thing that I was like so excited to buy was this. This is the Revolution Chilled with Cannabis Sativa shadow palette. Just looks like this. Oh god, I think it's falling. The colour scheme in this palette, girl, look at it. Oh my god, like I really want to do a green eyeshadow look. So when I saw this on the website, I was like, I'm going to need that. I'm going to just swatch these. Oh my god, that's like a proper glitter. It's like it's actually a pressed glitter. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I don't know how it'll swatch, because I feel like, yeah, pressed glitters don't really, they never swatch very well. It's, yeah. We don't have to have a little play around with that, but oh my god, it looks amazing. Ooh, let's have a little swatch. Ooh, 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 ooh. Don't get me wrong, it's not like as pigmented as what I was like expecting it to be, but it doesn't matter anyway, because it all depends on what it goes like on your eyes. And I just think this is stunning, and it's also really pretty because you'll be able to do like a normal kind of eyeshadow look of it as well, because you've got a nice transition one, you've got a darker one, an even darker one. Could have really done with a black in here. That would have been really pretty, but you've got a nice difference. So you've got like a lighter matte green, a darker matte green, a bit of a shimmery one. So I actually really like the look of this. What's this one? Oh my god. Like, did you actually see that? And that's like, wow, look at that one. That's actually like as if like the pressed glitter one that I swatched and like a shimmer one had a baby. Like that was like perfect. Let's see what this one's like. Okay, so that's like the other one. It's like quite bitty, and not as like it's a bit more like see-through, if that makes sense. A bit more like, yeah, I don't know how to explain it. That's silver. Oh girl, we're gonna have to do a tutorial on this, aren't we? Yes, we are. So before we go on to the Jeffree Star stuff, look at my arm now. We're gonna have a look and see what's inside the gift bag. So this gift bag is a totally different shape, different packaging, and everything to the Makeup Revolution's like own website one. Like the one I've just opened there and filmed in a video was unbelievable. Like 2 eyeshadow palettes, a highlighter, a lip kit, a lipstick, like unreal. This one, there's definitely something there, and it just feels like there might just be one palette. So it's just not as in depth, like not as much stuff. Let's see what's inside. Alright, okay. Fuck off. Oh my god, my eyelash just stuck together as well. No way. It's got 2 of these soft lipsticks in it. Oh my god, I've actually been wanting to buy these every single time they've gone on a sale on Superdrug and Makeup Revolution. I went to buy them and thought, no, Lucy, you don't need any more lipsticks. But now I got them for free. Oh my god. So if you don't know, Soph does nails, although now she is just Soph. I think she's on her Twitter and is it Twitter or Instagram? One of them she's like Soph Does Life. But she's now just Soph. She has obviously the collab eyeshadow palettes, which I have both of, and she has a highlighter palette, which I also have. But the only thing I didn't have was her lipsticks. I don't know if there's another one. I don't think there's 3 actually. And I love them because they're like a nudie brown. I'm gonna have to open these, boys and girls. I'm gonna have to open these. Like I literally have, I've just opened like a really, really, really good gift bag, and I didn't, because this one just like just felt like shit compared to the other one, like so thin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So we have the shade Syrup. Look how sexy it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. I think I rubbed it a bit too hard there. Sexy. Oh, it's got Soph's name on it as well. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I'm absolutely like buzzing, because I honestly thought as well, because I ordered like these 2 packages, like the other one that I've just filmed a video with. I ordered these 2 packages like maybe like a week in between the 2 of them, and I thought, oh my god, watch me get the same gift bag and they're both like be rubbish. Like I was expecting to get like really, really rubbish things in the gift bags. But even if this gift bag literally just had 2 of Soph's lipsticks in it, I would have been like buzzing, like so happy. So this is the shade Fudge, which just looks a little bit, oh, a little bit darker. Oh my god, it's so buttery smooth. Like I thought it was like me swatching it too hard last time, but it really wasn't. It's just really, really, really smooth and like a really creamy formula. That's what that one looks like. Buzzing. And we also have a lip liner, which would actually go with I've never tried these lip liners, like the Renaissance lip liners. I've tried like the kit ones, like where you get it like with a lipstick and like with like cardi kind of rip-offs. But they would actually go really, really stinking well with them 2 lipsticks. So this is what it looks. Oh, it'll actually go. Like I'm gonna put it on both sides of these lipsticks. Super, super, super creamy, but look how well that would go. Like I absolutely love nude-y dark brown lipsticks and then a nice nude in the middle. This is in the shade Prime, by the way. Oh, it's sexy. Ooh! Your girl is like so excited. And then the last thing, which like I'm not even that bothered about, but like the fact that I had 2 soft lipsticks and a lip liner that matches in my gift bag, like I don't even care about this. But this is like a matte eyeshadow palette from them. This is the Reloaded Basic Mattes. It just looks like this, and I think I would put this in a giveaway for you guys, to be honest with you, because I'm just not feeling it. And I'd rather reach for like my Tarte one, like my Tarte Let palette thing. So yeah, but compared to like the soft lipsticks and the lip liner, I am beyond excited about that. So I'll quickly show you what I got from Beauty Bay. There's literally like 2 products in here. So I finally picked up the JEFFREE Star translucent powder and also the concealer. So this is the Magic Star concealer. I was going to say Magic Shade then. I got mine in the shade C2. From kind of looking on the ones online, like I thought this one would be like the best for me. They had it in the sale, reduced to like, I don't know, like maybe, actually the thing will be in here. Like I feel like it might be like £14.70 instead of like 20 something. And the powder was like full price, but I just thought, oh, I'm just gonna get both because I want both. So this is what C2 looks like. We'll do a little swatch. I've been doing like uni assignment, and I had like a role play, and then I had a like written formulation thing where I had to like diagnose with somebody with like what kind of depression it was that they were presenting with. So I had all that going, and I was like, treat yourself, you've been working so hard. So that's what I did. So let's have a little swatch of that bad boy. And then we have this, which is the Magic Star setting powder in the shade Translucent. I always just go for translucent. I never really go for a colour. And this is what the packaging looks like. Really, really, really stunning. I love that it comes with this, so you can like open and close it, so it's not going to like spill everywhere when it's like in your bag, rummaging around and everything. So haven't actually opened this yet, I don't think. No, haven't opened it yet. So we're going to do a video trying the Jeffree Star concealer and powder and putting it to the test. Then give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me that so I know to do it. I'll add it to my to film list and get it up as soon as possible for you beautiful people. So yeah, that is what I kind of picked up recently from Superdrug. Absolutely buzzing with what I've picked up. I really want to do a green eyeshadow look. I really want to try them new soft lipsticks in a tutorial. Yeah, oh my god, just so happy. If you've got any kind of video ideas, please leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, which is linked down below as well. Love you very much. Bye guys.